Hi, my name is Florian Bauer. I'm a partner with Vocatus, a pricing and sales consulting company that is focused on leveraging the insights of behavioral economics in pricing and sales. I hope to meet you at the PPS conference in San Francisco, and I hope you join my workshop on behavioral pricing and selling. I think this is the new hot topic in pricing and sales, as it sheds a totally new light on how customers decide what they buy, where price acceptance comes from, and how we can leverage this. In this workshop, we will talk about behavioral economics, but we will not restrict this discussion on listing a lot of effects, but we will talk about how we can systematically translate these insights to a new pricing framework, how we can design a pricing strategy, and how we can design a pricing execution strategy that is building upon this. So behavioral economics provides you with insights that avoids a classic clash between pricing and sales, where we on the one hand have a very analytical pricing strategy, and on the other hand we have practitioners that will show us that this analytics won't work in face of the customer. In behavioral pricing, we develop a pricing strategy out of understanding the decision-making process of our customer. And by that, we make sure that pricing and sales goes hand in hand, because we do not only develop a pricing strategy, we also provide sales with tools to actually execute it. So if you're interested in that very spot-on workshop where we not talk about theories, but talk about pricing in practice, I hope to see you there.